So children, in this chapter, Willie and Ellie, there are two friends. Now let us see who are these friends. Willie the fox and Ellie the crane were friends. One day, Willie asked Ellie for dinner to his house. So children, the name of the fox is Willie and the name of the crane is Ellie. So they both are friends, and one day Fox Willie asked his friend Ellie to come for dinner to his house. Willie said, I am making some tasty soup today. Will you have dinner with me? Oh, I love soup. I will come. Thank you. So the crane accepted the invitation of dinner and decided to go to Willie's house because the crane loved to have soup. That evening, Ellie went to Willie's house. So you can see Ellie is at the door and Ellie has come for dinner to Willie's house. The soup smells so good. Ellie is liking the smell of the soup. Willie and Ellie sat down to have dinner. Willie had put the soup in 2 plates. Welcome, Ellie. Have some hot soup. Now you can see, children, there are 2 plates full of soup. But Ellie has a long beak and a long neck too. So, do you think Ellie is able to have soup from a plate? No, but the fox is very comfortable with the plate. Ellie could not drink the soup. Oh, don't you like the soup? I'll eat your share as well. And the fox said to Ellie that I think you are not liking the soup because your plate is still full. So I will have your share as well. But Ellie the crane is so hungry. He is not able to have soup because of the plate. Ellie went home hungry. She was angry with her friend Willie. Now children, Ellie was very hungry and Ellie had to return home without having the soup. And Ellie was very angry with his friend Willie. So he went home hungry only. I must show Willie that what he did was wrong. So Ellie decided that she will teach a lesson to Willie. Hey Willie, will you come home for dinner tonight? I will make some tasty soup. So Ellie also invited Willie now and said that I will also make a tasty soup. Willie the fox agreed to come to dinner to Ellie's house. Yes, of course. In the evening, Willie went to Ellie's house. Ellie had put the soup in a bottle with a long neck. Thank you for coming, Willie. Here is some soup for you. Now, what Ellie did, children? She did the same thing which the fox did. She served the soup in a long bottle with a long neck, which was not possible for fox to have the soup from such vessel. Willie knew he had been unfair to his friend. So now by seeing this, Willie comes to know and realizes his mistake, that what he did with the crane was unfair and he should not have done that. So he decides to rectify his mistake and once again calls Ellie the crane for dinner to his house. The next day, Willie again made the soup. I am sorry, Ellie. I know that I have not been a good friend. Here's some nice soup for you. Now, when again they both sat to have the soup, Willie the fox served the soup in a long bottle for Ellie and in a plate for himself so that the crane can easily have the soup. Thank you, Willie. Ellie was happy now. So, children, this story tells you that you should not be unfair with your friends and you should think about them, not only about yourself.